Good evening, students. Let us continue with the remaining part of evolution of management or the history of management. In our last class, we have discussed about the classical theory or the classical approach of management, right? So today, we will start with neoclassical theory, which will consist of Hawthorne studies. Okay, let me first explain. This thing is not there in your book. You can download any material for reading or you can study online, okay? Just you need to understand the things and it depends on your understanding whether you have understood or not. And based on that, you will be able to attempt the questions if it comes in the exam, okay? So just try to understand the things, and for the materials, I can refer you any book or you can take my book or you can study online, okay? The first is the Hawthorne studies. In this study, there were two groups of people, right? In one category of people, where the first category of people were not given certain incentives or certain advantages, but the other group was given certain advantages, like they were given less amount of work, they were given incentives for the work, their work duration was less, but in the other group, the people were not given any advantages, right? The first group is called the test group and the second group is called the control group, okay? And then it was seen that people, after they were put under these conditions for a long period of time of 2 years, and it was seen that those who were given certain advantages or certain motivation for giving the work, their performance and the performance of the other group both were same. So it was concluded that apart from the economic factors, there are other factors which actually motivate the employees in a workplace. Buji paisane moi ki koisu? Eto experimentot ki korile? The employees of the organization, they were divided into two groups. Aru eta groupok normal working conditions bur rakha hol, but in the other group, they were given certain advantages. Like hiyotok kamor majot okoman rest dia hoy, hiyotor kamor homoy tu kom hoy, hiyotok bhalke kam korar karone kisuman incentives dia hoisle, but in the other group, the working conditions were normal. But yat okoman advantageous conditions bur dia hoisle. And they were put under this conditions for a time period of over 2 years. 2 বছৰ মান সময়ৰ কাৰণে হিয়তক তেনেকুৱা conditions কাম কৰিবলৈ দিয়া হৈছিলে. And it was seen that the performance of both these groups were almost same. তাৰ মানে কি বুজিলে? So we conclude from this experiment that apart from the motivating factors which the control group was placed, there are some other factors which are also affecting the psychology of the workers. Buji paisane ki koisu? Je okol je egita factor uporiu kisuman bostu e manu khinik affect kori asle. In this experiment, another kind of experiment was done that is called the illumination experiment. Jot ki kora hoisle there were two groups of people. One was the control group and other was the test group. And illuminate buli kole ami ki buzu? Je illuminate, when we use the word illuminate, we understand that we are putting them under sunlight or light. Light or logot illuminate shobdo to mile hoine. This experiment was called the illumination experiment, where both the groups were put under different amount or intensity of light. Eta groupor manukhini pura jimantu sunlightot kam koribo dia hol ba lightor intensity to jiman asile itu groupot beleg asile. One group was put under varying intensity of light and the other group was put under a constant supply of light. And after a long period of time, it was seen that here also the same thing was observed, that the performance of both the groups were Same. So it was concluded from here that apart from the light, some other factor is playing into motivating the employees or the workers. Mane employee khini kaam korat, motivate korat, kiba belek factor etao kaam korisle. Right? Understood what I am saying? Apart from the economic factors or the working conditions, some other thing was also affecting the psychology of the workers. Okay? This was the conclusion from the experiment, which is known as the Hawthorne studies or the Hawthorne experiment. Aru bibhinno dhoroner belek dhoronoru kisuman experiments kora hoisle, but I am discussing just the two of them. Tar conclusion to bujila nohoy? Apart from economic factors, other factors were also taking part in what? In pushing the employees in doing the work, right? Next is the human relations moment. Human relations boli kole ami ki bujo? What do we understand by human relations? Human relations, in simple words, it means the relations between the different employees who are working in the organization, right? In human relations approach, the researchers have said that in the workplace, apart from the economic factors, the workers, they look forward to forming some informal groups, or they like socializing with people. In your case, in the case of students, I am telling, when you come to school or when you come to a college, you like to make friends, right? If you don't have any friends in your school or your college, will you like to go to school or college? No. Similar is the case in case of an organization. In an organization also, people like to socialize because man is a social animal, right? We like to live in a society, right? Eta organization and manhue formal groups or uporiu manhue informal groups kisuman bonabole bisare, where they like to share their what? Share their common thoughts, their what? Their guilt, their ideas they like to share, which cannot be expressed formally. Kisuman informal groups teoloke bisare. So in this theory, it is said that in a workplace, social and psychological factors play a very important role apart from the economic factors. Bujisa? Ki koisu moi? In a workplace, people like to form some informal groups. Bujisa? Clear what I am saying? The next is the behavioral science theory. Behavioral science. When we talk about behavioral science, we understand that these are the subjects which deal with understanding the human behavior, right? Like, kisuman subjects are human psychology to study koribo bisare, right? Like the subject of psychology, sociology. Sociology tami ki pohu? What do we study in sociology? We try to understand the social structure, the social problems, right? In this approach, the researchers, they try to use the concepts related to various behavioral sciences to understand the behavior of people in an organization. Like sociology, psychology, economics, yar kisuman concepts use kore to understand the behavior of people in the workplace. And it has led to the concepts of or the theories which are related to your leadership, communication, jibur ami amar agor chapters burat, next chapters burat porhim, right? Buzi paisa? Here, behavioral science approach ki kore? Various behavioral science jibur ase, belek dhoroner subjects jibur ase, tumar economics hoi gol, psychology, sociology, then anthropology, ebur subjects ami human behavior jikhini bostu porhu, tar kisuman concepts bur loi pele ami amar organizationot hebur meal khaise na nai we study, right? Next we will come to the modern theory. Any doubts in these points? Kiba doubt ase?
Ma'am,
বুজি পাইছা?
Horton study too.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me,
Horton study.
can you repeat?
Ma'am, Horton study, ma'am, fasting.
Okay, Hawthorne studies. Okay, in Hawthorne studies, the researchers, what they do, they try to divide the employees of an organization into two groups. Okay, duta category divide kori diye employees kinir. Okay, and they are in one group, they are not given certain advantageous positions. Normal working conditions at rakha hoy. Kintu ikhini itu groupot ki kore, they are given certain benefits. Like if the first group is working for suppose 6 hours, this group, second group, will be working for only 5 hours, right? If he is not getting any break, lunch break or something, the first group is not getting any rest hours. They are not getting any kind of break during work. But the second group, they will be getting some rest hours, okay? This first group will not get any holidays, but the second group will get holidays, okay? You are getting my point? First group, again, the first group, he will not be getting any incentives for working some extra amount of time. But the second group, he will be getting some incentives, even if he is working for half an hour more, right? First group, eco advantage nidu, but the second group is getting advantage. But if we observe their behavior or their performance after a long period of 2-3 years, we will see that this group of people and the second group of people, their performance is same. Because it has been concluded that the first group, while working under the same working conditions, they are forming or socializing among themselves, and it is another factor which is motivating them to perform better. Buji paisa? Moi ki koisu? Second group took, although ihotok benefits dia hoise, but their performance and the first group's performance is same. Because yat first group ki hol, ihoti nijor majot eta formal group eta form kori loise, and there they are, here is a formal group, informal group to develop korise. That factor is playing an important role and helping them in performing better. Buzi paisa? Hetu a experimenter pra conclude kora hoise. Why this group is also performing the same way as this group, right? Yat koa hoise je ekhini manue nijor majot eta cordial relationship eta develop korile, which is helping them in better performance, rather than those benefits or economic factors. Bujisa? Understood? Next, let us come to the modern theory. In modern theory, the first is the quantitative approach. In quantitative approach of management, we are using quantitative methods. Quantitative methods mean we are using some what? Some scientific methods, or we are using what? We are using mathematical calculations and quantities in helping us to make the decisions. Decision making ot ami kisuman concepts use korisu, which helps us in quantifying the things, and that helps us in better decision making. Statistics use korim, maths use korim, yat ami calculations kori pale bostubur ami derive korim, and that will help us in better decision making. Buzi paisa? Quantitative methods, jibur tumalke belegbur subjects tumalko ase noy, cost accounting pohisa, hoy na cost accounting tumalke kisuman calculations kora, right? So kori pale tumalke eta conclusion, you come to a conclusion, right? Similarly, in case of your quantitative approach, we use various kinds of mathematical techniques which helps us in better decision making. Mathematical data were used korim, right? Next is the systems approach. Systems approach ki buzu ami, in systems approach we are considering the organization as a single system. Eta organization ok ami eta system boli dhorisu, which will consist of various subparts, and that will help in performing the functions in a better way. In systems approach, organization took a system bully dhorim, a single system which will consist of various subparts or subsystems. Jibur department thake eta organization heburok ami subsystem ba subparts bully kom. And in this theory, the organization has to perform as a team or as a group in order to perform better. Okay? The various departments or the subsystems, they have to work in collaboration with one another. Eta department itu department hohayot kam koribo lagibo. Suppose the advertising department is working properly, but the marketing department is not giving them the proper data after doing the market study. Then what will happen? Ki hobo? Advertisement ঠিকে কৰি আছে কিন্তু মাৰ্কেটিং ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টে মাৰ্কেট ষ্টাডিটো ভালকে কৰা নাই তেতিয়া কি হ'ব কামটো ভালকে নহব ডিমান্ড আছে মাৰ্কেটত সাপোজ ইন দা মাৰ্কেট देयर ইজ এ ডিমান্ড ফৰ হোৱাট ফাষ্ট ফুড এণ্ড পিজ্জা ৰাইট বাট এডভাৰটাইজিং ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টে বেলেগ এটা প্ৰডাক্টৰ বেছি গুৰুত্ব দি আছে ইন দ্যাট কেছ হোৱাট উইল হেপেন প্ৰডাকশ্যন ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টে কি হ'ব প্ৰডাকশ্যন ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ ওচৰত প্ৰপাৰ ডেটা যাব লাগিব তেতিয়াহে হে প্ৰডাক্টৰ যেটো ডিমান্ড আছে মাৰ্কেটত হেতু বনাব হয় নে সো দিস all these departments they have to work in collaboration with one another right last is the contingency approach means in a particular situation the manager has to behave or act in a particular way or এনেকে ক'ব পাৰো যে বেলেগ ধৰণৰ সিচুৱেশনছত ম্যানেজাৰটোৱে বেলেগ ধৰণে বিহেভ কৰিব লাগিব he has to act in accordance with the changing situations in the business environment marketer change যেটো market change যেটো হয় বা business environmentor change হোৱাৰ লগে লগে market the manager has to change his changes way of dealing with the things and that is known as the contingency approach or situational approach বুজিছা মানে যেতিয়া situation to change হয় manager to নিজৰ কাম কৰাৰ way to change কৰিব লাগিব because one way if he acts in all the situations it might not be fruitful right so মনত থাকিব বস্তুবোৰ just find out some online to tumi alge materials kini pai jaba easy way te ase just about reading maridle hoy jabo you will be able to recall the things and remember the terms okay because see why I have taught this because this is important tumalke history to na janile agbahibole olop problem hoy jay and because this word if you go through the next chapters in your book, the scientific management theory is repeated. So scientific management ki hoy, it okoman ekhini bostu okoman related hoy tar logot, right? Next we will come to scope of management which is the last topic of your first chapter. Scope bolile ki bujo? Scope Scope mane scope of management boli kole to what extent the field of management is spread right so if we talk about management the scope of management is very vast but if we try to make it concise then we can bring it under these three categories which is economic resource, system of authority, and class or elite. The first is the economic resource. Here it is said that management is an economic resource. Why? Management of economic resource boli kyo koisu. We know that the 4 factors of production ki hoy? Land, labor, capital, and enterprise. Okay. And who is the person behind the proper utilization of all these factors Who helps in the proper utilization of all the 4 factors of production? It is the employee or the manager. So, teoko ami resource buli kobo paro, right? Hoine, ejon manager e jodi properly direction diye, tetiahe resource kini ami properly utilize koribo parim. So, the manager or management is also considered as an economic resource. Bujisa? Next is the system of authority. In management, we have seen that there is a formal hierarchy of authority. Jot tumar superior gives the commands or the orders to the subordinates. So it can be said as a management can be said as a system of authority. Our authority thakilehe manuar responsibility thake. And in that way, the organizational structure is maintained. Last is class or elite. Managers are considered to be an elite class. Executives boli dhora hoy na managers bur, because they actually give direction to the various objectives of the organization. They help in the fulfillment of the organizational goals. So they are considered as a class or elite. The way the managers talk or behave with the employees is different from the lowest level of managers. Ekdom lowest level managers ba workers kita ji dhorone kaam kore. Do the managers or the executive class of people, they behave in the same way, or their way of talking, whether it is similar? No. Hoine, ekdom taller level of managers bure jeneke kotha pate ba hiantor behavior to jenekwa. Executives bure to ba managers bure behavior ba working style or kotha potar dharon eke nohoy. So they are considered as a class or elite. Elite mane olop standard thoka. Olop eta class eta ba level eta maintain kore. So management is considered as a class or elite. Management is considered as a distinct class that has its own value system. Value system bujile ki buja? Je managers have to behave in some ways which are considered as standard. Managers bure keteo bhul dhorone behave koribo nware. They have to maintain some standards or ethical ways in dealing with people. They have to behave ethically. They cannot behave as they like, right? Hekane koa hoise je they should have their own value system, right? Next, managerial class, often referred to as a collective group of those individuals that perform managerial activities, which is an essential component of each organization. Okay? So we have come to the end of the first chapter. Let us do a short recap of what we have studied in the first chapter. First chapter, ami ki pohisu? What is management? Managementer nature ki hoy? Managementer importance ki hoy? What are the features of management? Whether it is an art or a science, and whether management can be considered as a profession. Okay? Monot thakibo? Kiki pohilo? Then next, in the second chapter, there are 2 theories, which are the agency theory and stewardship theory. But I will take this chapter after the completion of the third chapter. But olopman main basics of management to pohailon, tar pisot I will come to this theory. Okay? Stewardship theory aru tumalgor agency theory ase. Next, come to the third chapter, which is planning, organizing, staffing, and leading. What are these? What are these? Ki hoy abur? Functions of management. Okay. Okay, so bare question of planning. So planning is the first or the primary function of management. Planning ot ami ki koru? Plan koru, yes, plan koru. Ki plan koru? আমি কেনেকৈ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনটো চলাম, কোনে কামখিনি কৰিব, কেনেকৈ কৰিব, কিমান সময়ত কৰিব. So this is all about planning. So planning is the process by which a manager, what he will do, he will analyze the environment or the opportunities, and he will then he will take various steps to reach the organizational goals. Planning is the process by which a manager decides who will do the work, how he will do the work, when he will do the work, and in what amount of time he will do the work. Okay? So planning sobe jane. So basi bujabole nai. But then what are the features of planning? Planning or basic features, plan to kenuka hobo lagibo etia. So plan will be goal oriented. Then plan to goal oriented hobo lagibo kyo? Ulta pulta planning korile no hobo. Okay, I understood. Then aru ki hobo lagibo plan to? Huh?
Planning is a mental process.
Please repeat. Please repeat once again what you are asking. Dynamic in nature. Yes, planning is dynamic in nature because plan to majote ketaba change hoi jay na amar. Change hoi jay, hoy na? Jane? Jane ketaba tumalgor yate swason class thake ketaba, but because of some certain emergencies class to cancel koribo lai. Plan to bodli jay. Hoy na? Ahim boli loisilu bhabisilu aji class koribole jam kini oh aji class na eta maths cricket match sai lolu. Hoy na denuka plan bodli gol. So planning is dynamic. Then plan ketia banao ami? Plan ketia banao? When there are choices between alternatives. Jodi kam eta korar just one way thake titia amak plan dorkar nai. Plan ketia lage? When we have choices between alternatives. Bahutta way ase. We have a plan to go to Dibrugarh tomorrow. Now, keneke jam? The Dibrugarh besi usort hoi gol. Suppose we have a plan, the whole class, we are going to Guwahati tomorrow for some reason, okay? Then, we can go by flight, we can go by aeroplane, we can go by, there are certain various alternatives, right? So we have to make a plan. Hoy na? Jodi okol eta dhoroner kam korar way thake, then we do not require any plan. Then aru planning or ki hoy? Planning is pervasive. Pervasive mane it is present everywhere. Ba sobote ami plan koribole dorkar hoy, right? Then it is used for, it is futuristic, right? Future decision making. Aru? Aki hobo pare. Planning not goal thakibo, planning is pervasive, planning is continuous, planning is done when there are alternatives or choices between alternatives. Then aru? Aru ki is hobo pare. Planning is flexible. Yes, planning is flexible because plan to ami keteba change koribo laga hoy, right? So these are the features and which we all know. Then plan to kenekwa hobo lagibo amar? Plan to systematic hobo lagibo, plan to simple hobo lagibo, plan to sobe bujibo pora hobo lagibo, and plan should contain all the details, right? Or plan should be thorough. Plan to tamne amar sob gutekhini bahut dhuniya ke systematic way explain kora thakibo lagibo, which is understood by everyone, right? So this is already done. And one more feature of planning is there, that is planning is accomplishment of group objectives, where we try to fulfill the group goals, right? Plan to সাধাৰণতে আমি মানে বেছিভাগ মানুহৰ মিলি পালে কৰা হয় ন, তো হেতু কথা কৈছে যে it is the fulfillment of the group objectives. Okay, limitations kita sailo agote. What are the limitations of planning? Plan korile, no doubt, it is good. It helps us in time saving, but along with it, planning or kisuman limitations ase. Right? So what are the limitations of planning? Planning korile kiki amar problems hobo pare ba planning or kikini shortcomings ase. Let us discuss them. First thing, let us look at it. Inaccuracy. Plan banaote ketiaba inaccurate hobo pare. Why? Because kwa hetu kyo hoy? Because it depends on the forecasting techniques, right? Ami plan korar agote we have to do something, and that is what plan korar agote ami ki korim. Amak plan to kyo dorkar kele korisu hekini ami study korim hoy ne. Plan to amak kele lage, future at market at demand ase na nai, all these things we will study before, right? Kintu hekini jodi amar korute bhul hoy tetia hale amar plan to ketiao accurate no hoy, because before planning we have to do the forecasting. Forecasting means we have to decide in advance about the future. Ami kiba ta kam kele korim? We were discussing je ami Guwahati le jam, right? Ami Guwahati le kele jam because we are going for an excursion, suppose. You know, excursion to jodi kiba karone jodi Guwahati due to water logging problem or because of drainage problem kiba karone jodi Guwahati ami joato amar cancel koribo loga hoy, then plan to ami change koribo lagibo. We have to do it in a future date. Kino ami jodi ki koru, ami jodi aji gomei na pao je Guwahati aji banpani hoy ase ar ami gusi golu, tetia amar plan to ki hobo? Guwahati goi ami fosi jam ne, hoy ne? So amar forecasting to amar bhul hol, hoy ne? Ami market to ami conditions kini ami study no korilu bhalke, right? So because of that, planning might be inaccurate sometimes, okay? Because it depends on forecasting, and wrong forecasting will lead to wrong plans, right? Second is time consuming. Plan koribo karone sadharonte ki koru? We sit together in groups, bahut manur ideas no, and does everyone like to sit in groups and discuss things? Sobe to bhal napabo pare no. Everyone might not be liking the idea of planning. E kinu dorkar pore aji goi pale classot no kele discuss koribo lage, phonote koribo parilu eten. So there might be like planning might not be a welcoming idea for everyone, right? And because it involves energy, time, and mobilization of different kinds of resources. Next is rigidity. Planning often gives some amount of rigidity to its policies, procedures, programs, and methods. Plan korar loge loge bostubur rigid hoy jay, because you know eta organization or policy kisuman thake no, jene no smoking policy, which cannot be broken by anyone, right? No smoking mane no smoking, tat tumi smoke korar loge loge tumar penalty ahi jabo, right? Similarly, there are some procedures of hiring people, manhu keneke employ korim, keneke hiodok recruit job allotment korim, keneke ami hiodok payment dim, hebur kisuman process ba methods thake, right? Man distract. So when these procedures are a part of the plan, then it brings rigidity, because you cannot change these procedures frequently. Jibur tumar organization or policies thake, procedures thake, ba kisuman programs thake, training programs kisuman employees or thake. Hebur to jetia once it is formulated and it is accepted by the management of the organization, it cannot be changed frequently, right? Hoy ne? So it becomes, these plans are rigid. Okay, bujisa? Next, it is a costly affair, because mo koisu je planning korar loge plan koribole karone amar we need to what? We need to bring the people together in one place so that the ideas are accumulated and it is exchanged to formulate a plan, right? Manukini employees kini ahibo lagibo, ahar loge loge ki hobo, eta transportation cost ahibo, room etat borhabo lagibo, AC to dilu, bohalu comfortably bohalu, okoman plan 4 ঘন্টাৰ meeting hol, plan eta banabo karone kiba to dibo lagibo, refreshment. So it involves cost. Next, attitude of the managers. Some managers might not like the idea of planning. They like to behave in a what? in a contingency style of dealing with situations. মানে বেলেগ যেতিয়া সিচুৱেশ্যনটো আহিব সাৰ্কামষ্টেন্সটো আহিব তেতিয়া লগালগ ডিসিশন ল'ব right they want to deal with the situation the way it is right আগৰ পাক একো প্ল্যান কৰিব নিবিচাৰে so that is a limitation of your planning next is it prevents innovation eta plan eta jetia ami kori diu no suddenly we cannot change it and because of it prevents the innovative ideas from people right plan to banai lolu agor pra je ami guwahatit excursion jam kunba eta particular thait suppose কলাক্ষেত্ৰত গল যাম বুলি একদম প্ল্যান বনাই ললো ওকে কিন্তু আমাৰ ওচৰত বহুত টাইম বাছি গল কলাক্ষেত্ৰত যোৱাৰ উপৰিও কিন্তু আমাৰ প্ল্যানটো এনেকে বনালো যে আমি কলাক্ষেত্ৰত যাম ইয়াৰ পৰা ম্যানেজমেন্টৰ পৰা আমাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টৰ পৰা আমি ফান্ডস পইচাটো যিমান ললো এতিয়া আমি নেক্সট বেলেগ এটা ঠাই যাবলে আমাৰ টিকেট নাই পইচা নাই তেনেকুৱা হৈ গল সো ইনোভেটিভ আইডিয়াজ উই ক্যান নট ইউজ at that moment right Next, lack of orientation and training for managers. For most of the managers, planning is easy to put off as it is not at all exciting or action-oriented. Kisuman manuhor karone planning koratu boring lage. So that is a limitation of your planning. And last is planning has to reckon with numerous uncertainties. It has to deal with various uncertain circumstances like changes in government policies, then changes in social change kisuman law change hoi jabo pare ajikal to eta notun kiba kibi law ulai ase hoy na so along with the changes in all these factors or the environment the plan should also be changed so that is a limitation of your planning monat thakibo bostubur question efalopa tell me thakibo monat Okay. Okay. Next, what are the prerequisites of effective planning? Prerequisites mane planning korar agote kikhini bostu ami dorkari. Kikhini dorkar hoy ba planning koribole ami kikhini steps lobo lage. So the first step is that planning should be simple and easy to understand. It should consist of a thorough description of how the things will be working. Then plans should be very selective. Because I have said that in case of planning, there are various choices. So, kuntu plan ami select korim. That is very important. Next, it should meet the needs of those who implement it. It should be geared to meet the needs of those who implement it. But according to me, it should be to meet the needs of what? Needs of the situation. June implement kore tatke beshi kak dorkar hoy. The plan is more important for the person who implement it or the situation or the objectives. Kuntu beshi dorkar. Situation to karne I think this point is not very accurate. Okay. Kitabot eneke ase so I have written it this way. But plan should be geared to meet the needs of those who implement it. Implement koratke jitu purpose lage hetu karne beshi dorkar right next is plan should be thorough or it should be detailed okay bujisa next according to the researcher Gary Dessler there are certain conditions which makes a plan good or fruitful so these are develop accurate plans plan bur hodai forecasting or upon depend kore and that forecasting should be very accurate kisuman techniques thake I don't know belek subjects ot thakibo pare kisuman Delphi technique paisa ne I think in other semesters or other subjects you will get in your books kisuman forecasting techniques thake which involves some quantitative methods depending on those the plan should be made next gain acceptance for the plan mane plan to june implement koribo their acceptance lagibo but through whom the work will be done their acceptance is also needed I have made a plan but then my subordinates if they are not willing to work then the plan will never be successful then plan should be a sound one sound mane everyone should know about the plan next develop an effective planning organization. That means an organization must have a planning process. Every organization which is dealing with people should have a proper plan which will help them in carrying out the plans. Next, the manager should be objective. Manager should be objective. Objective mane? He should not be biased. As an employee logot jeneke behave kore, ijon employee logoto eke dhorne behave koribo lagibo. His way of dealing with people or handling the people should be same. Karbak besi preference dibo nware. All of you are my students, or all of you are sitting in the same class. So I should treat every one of you equally, right? That is a characteristic of a good manager or a good teacher, right? Next, measure the firm's market value. Firm's market value mane market tar reputation kenekwa, tar position to kenekwa, whether the firm is having a grip in the market. Marketot nizor naam asene, right? We have to look into that. Next, decide in advance the criteria for abandoning a project. Abandoning the project mane project is also a kind of plan, right? Project mane a project is a plan for a specific purpose. Kiba eta specific kamor karne jodi ami plan koru tetia hetu project buli koa hoy. Ar ketiaba ki hoy ami project to majote we have to give up. Why? Situation or karne. So in advance ami bhabibo lage jodi by chance a plan to abandon koribo lage, how will we abandon the project? Because at a project eta ba plan eta korude we involve various stakeholders and shareholders. Hoine project eta bonale bahut manue paisa lagabo pare, hoine to majote jodi ami plan to abandon kori diu manukhini to mani nolobo no, because they hiator to paisa khini phosi ase. You have to do the things properly to give their amount of share back, right? He karne ami abandon koribole holo we have to decide in advance. Plan to jodi successful no hoy tetia hole backup plan eta ami hodai bhabi thobo lage, right? Next is set up a monitoring system. Set up a monitoring system mane ki monitor kora mane ki monitor kora mane guide kora no hoy. Monitor kora mane ami mane plan to thik mote hoise ne nai ami sai asu. There should be some people or persons who are looking whether the things are done in the proper way or not, right? Amar je eta government ase, amar government e bhal dhorne kaam korise ne nai, amar eta Modi sarkare bhal ke kaam korise ne nai, hetu soa karne opposition party ase, right? What the opposition party is doing, he is looking into how the present government is implementing the schemes or the projects, hoine opposition party ki korise monitor korise amar present government, right? So similarly in case of a plan ami eta monitoring system ami set koribo lage who will look whether there are any deviations from the plan which was actually formulated. Jitu actual plan asle tarpa kiba deviations hoise ne nai sabo lagibo. Suppose a 500 crores of rupees were invested in one project. He 500 crores to properly utilize hoise ne nai, time to time funds bur jagai manhue paise ne nai, ebur sabo lagibo no, nohole to sobe nijor pocketot bhorai jabo, right? So monitoring system eta dorkar hoy. Next, revise the long term plans every year. Janege the best example is the what? Budget. Long term plans budget kon dekhisane the sai no milai meli sai revise kore ako hoy ne. So the long term plans should be revised from time to time. Okay? Budget kon tumalke sale dekhiba je kisuman schemes repeat kore. Kyo? Because he plan bur successful hoise, right? So ako hebur repeat kore ar jibur dekhise je eku benefits ana nai ba benefits bur manhue pua nai hebur ki kore, hebur change kore. So that is a way of revising the plans. Next, fit the plan to the situation, right? Bujisa? So these are the These are the conditions which are put forward by Gary Dessler in formulating a plan so that the plan will be successful. Next, planning korte kun gita steps amar involve hoy. This is shown in the form of a circular diagram. So the first step is analysis of the opportunities. What are the opportunities that are available to the manager? Then the manager has to establish the objectives. The third is the determining the planning premises. Planning premise means the environment in which the plan will be implemented. The conditions, internal environment to kenekwa hobo and external environment to kenekwa hobo. External environment bullire ki bujabo? All those government regulations, the market conditions, all these things will come in the external environment. Our internal environment ki thakibo? All those data that are available, the cash flow charts, the budget of the organization, all these things will be there under the internal environment, which is the planning premise. Then identifying the alternatives, kuntu alternative bhal hobo, then evaluation of the alternative. First we have to identify the alternatives, then we have to evaluate which is the best one. Then we have to select out of the different alternatives that are available. Then last is the the second last is the implementation of the plan, and after the plan is implemented, the plan should be revised and monitored. It should be monitored and revised if necessary, right? Next is the approaches to planning. So planning korte ami ki approach lobo parba, in what ways the planning is actually, in what manner the planning is done. It can be from the top down approach. Top down approach at ki hoy? Ki the supermost employees or the superior employees, they will take the decisions and they will pass the plans to the lower level managers. I will continue this topic in the next class again, okay? Because there is so much of distractions from outside, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.